I've been really excited to make this baked feta pasta that's been all over social media, and so today is the day I'm going to do that. And I'm starting in my skillet with crumbled feta. Why crumbled feta, you ask? Good question, because I can't find a block of the stuff within a 20-mile radius of my home. So apparently this recipe is very popular. So crumbled feta in here. In go 2 pints of cherry tomatoes. To that I'm going to add some olive oil and some pepper, a sprig of thyme, and a chopped chili. This goes into my 400-degree oven for 25 minutes. All right, it's out of the oven. I popped all the little cherry tomatoes with a fork, and it made this beautiful sauce. I added my pasta, a little bit of basil. That is really good. Wow, you gotta give it a try. Good luck finding a block of feta, but as you see, the crumbled stuff worked just as well for me.